morning, welcome back to Vlogmas day 11.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Vlogmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear.
We've just got to our premiere in. Looks a little bit dingy out there and it's cold, but we're hopeful that we'll see lots of festive sights today. First stop is Borough Market. We've gone quite far out and the plan is for us to work our way back throughout the day. Does anyone recognise this from a movie? It's Bridget Jones. We came to Borough Market partially because I've never been and I've always wanted to come. And then I found out that Bridget Jones' apartment was right around the corner. Had to come and see it.
I'm keeping the shell. I know that.
Go back, Mom.
Those scallops were immense. So good. Also, Matt, I'm definitely werewolfing again. That is ridiculous. This is the sausage roll, apparently. Lee is not a fan of these doors. I don't know if this is the best or worst idea I've ever had. I really fancy some chocolate ice cream. This is delicious. No mistakes were made. Love these lights. I'd like to live somewhere where I like just have these in my garden all the time. It's 2 o'clock and we are flying a little bit now. Everyone's a little bit tired. We've done a lot of walking and it is icy cold. So we've come to Leicester Square. We've actually got a dinner reservation at TGI's at 3, just because, you know, when it's a time like this, you need to make sure that you go somewhere where everyone's going to eat something. And I wanted to make a reservation to make sure we knew we had a point where we could actually go and sit in the warm and kind of re-energise a little bit. But we're gonna go into the little grotto bit, like the little Christmas market soon, but we're going to go into Lego and M&M, and then we might see if TGI can accommodate a little bit earlier. Oh, mozzarella dippers. This is the reason to come to TGI Fridays. And apparently, Lee's developed a taste for mozzarella dippers.
Mozzarella dippers.
Whatever.
Especially TGI Friday.
If you watch Modern Family, this is Lee's wedge salad. I've been loving mozzarella dippers for 20 years. And somebody else introduced him to mozzarella dippers and now he can't get enough. They are amazing. TGI's now do a Philly cheesesteak. Quite excited about this. That food was delicious, but I am so tired now. I've eaten so much food. I know he's all wrapped up now. He's got a hat that Lee got him. Now he's look how beautiful this is. It's all twinkling in the trees. So we're going to now walk over to look at some of the lights on Regent Street, Piccadilly Circus, that kind of stuff. Maybe go to Liberty. Burberry has trees in all of the balcony windows upstairs. I feel like we've been here, there and everywhere today. We've really crammed it all in, but didn't consider Sunday trading hours. So we quickly ran into Fortnum's just to see it, and we're running to the tube now, not running, briskly walking the tube now to see if we can get to Harrods before it closes, but chances are we'll just see the outside, which is fine because it's on the right tube line to get home, and really we just wanted to see the outside lights anyway. Ella and I have come out, we just checked into the hotel, and we've come out to go to Tesco, and it's snowing. It's really, really actually snowing. It's been a little bit snowing a lot today. When we went to Carnaby Street, there were so many people. It's absolutely rammed in London just generally. But we went to Carnaby Street and all these people were stood around looking at the decorations, and it started to snow, not quite as much as this, but just a little bit, and everyone was so excited. It was actually really a little bit magical. Because collectively so many people were like, oh my god, it's snowing! It was lovely. But this is proper snow. And our little festive day out. Oh, that's beautiful. Love lights in a window. How beautiful is this view? I think this is our preferred Premier Inn. We were at the Ravenscourt this time, not the Wembley Park, because Wembley Park was fully booked. So cheap. But this was also £55 a night. It has been snowy overnight. It actually snowed a little bit while we were walking around. Not like heavily, but snowed a little bit while we were... Did I tell you this last night? I can't remember. While we were at Carnaby Street. That was a little bit magical. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here because it's going to be a long drive home. Did you get the water out for Milo? Yeah. I'll put it here. And I'll pick up when we get home for the next day. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill.